Yeah, Namaste. Tech Guru Education Services Group is going to organize faculty empowerment program. This is the small introduction session about this particular program. It is a 5-day online FEP program. Some sub themes are assuming like bridge the gap, image building, development of the resources for teaching, QMS, and revised taxonomy. So the academic partner is KJRL College Autonomous, Bhimavaram for this program. So whenever we are considering the continuous improvement in the education, the complete integral parts of the education system to be improvised together. Redefining the higher education because of the globalization means the subcomponents of the education system to be improvised based on some assumptions and situations. So definitely at present, because of the COVID, there is a biggest challenge in the teaching. What are the different innovative methods for online teaching? For a simple example, in the previous days, the students are going to divide into subsections and we will assign different teachers for different sections. Now in the online teaching, there is no barrier for limiting the strength. By using some suitable platforms, n number of students can listen the content at the same time. Now the chance is for student to select the faculty. So definitely as a faculty we need to adopt some new quality management systems. We need to improve our own brand imaging. At the same time we need to follow revised taxonomy techniques also for creating the better learning space for the student community. Today is 28th June. Today, our Prime Minister Narendra Modi in the Mann Ki Baat program, he wants to focus on the quotation be vocal, be local. Be vocal, be local. As per the UNESCO study, by 2030, most of the educational institutions are going to become vocational educational institutions. The complete focus is on skill development. Whenever skill development is there, automatically the chances of getting employment is more, then automatically our country will also improve. So by considering all these aspects, we designed modules for this faculty empowering program. So after finishing all those modules, definitely you will develop an idea to improvise something in your activities, whatever you are going to implement in the teaching profession. Now we need to design some modules. We need to offer those courses via some suitable LMS softwares. That part also we want to implement. So how to fill the gap? The gap according to the pedagogy, the gap according to the psychology of the stakeholder, what is the role of the senior teacher, what is the role of the junior teacher, what sort of the mentoring we need to implement. The HEI, Higher Education Institute, is the game changer in the present scenario. HEI is the game changer means the faculty will play the key role. So you are the game changer. So from this slide simply you can understand we need to motivate, we need to empower ourselves to build the nation. So for this program, these are acting like the background team. Myself, V.S. Murthy Valaveti. Another resource person is Gayatri Dara. She is also from KJRL College. Module designers are Dr. P. Kalyani and Mr. D. Subramanya Bharadwaj. They are from the Tech Guru Educational Consultancy Services. So with this brief introduction, I want to introduce the basic theme of the FUP. Then comfortably you can enjoy the content. So thanks for all the registered participants for your interest. If anybody wants to register for this program after seeing this particular video, please see the description box below this video. The registration link is available by using which you can register for this program. Thank you all.